Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zuba Ranasipa.
My name is Anita Malasari.
My name is Asya.
My name is Dester Rahman.
Thank you.
Subject. We like this subject because we can use this language in the future if needed. It also turns out it's important for us to be able to learn atau use language other than Indonesian. In 10th grade, we have learned a lot of material from self-introduction, numbers, letter, and how to chat with other and younger people in Japanese. This material taught us how to prepare ourselves in class if we want to study, and of course also how to prepare when class is over. With this subject, we can gain broader insight into foreign language. For practicing in Japanese subject, we have been practicing memorizing the names of random objects, and we have practiced introducing ourselves using Japanese. Then we practice job interview using Japanese. We practice during the class time and other during extracurricular time. So far, it seems like that all the Japanese language practice that we've done.
We like informatic lesson because the material is very fun also. Informatics subject has a lot of material, especially Microsoft Word. In this 3rd grade, we learned some materials, for example, how to set the margins, how to change the font, insert the image, create tables, and so on. Then, we studied Microsoft Excel too. In Excel, we learned about how to add, find the average, rank data quickly, and even we can also tidy up our reading quickly. In this informatics subject, we also learned Microsoft PowerPoint. In this subject, we learned about making a presentation. In this material, we can learn how to arrange the layout design, and adjust them. Next, we learned how to transition and animate. Not only that, we were also taught about several shortcuts for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. That's all we learned in this class X.
In this subject, we like the software and game development lessons. Why? Because we are very interested in computers. For us, this material is also not confusing as well as the material is very exciting. In this subject, we learn how to code, what's our basic of making games, and so on. Basically, it's very exciting. These lessons also did not refer too much to the material presented, but we were able to be logically. In this 10th grade, we have already created entities correctly, created databases, created use case diagram, created flowcharts, and much more. The first material was a flowchart. That is a diagram that displays the steps and decisions to carry out a process from a program in the form of graphic symbol. Then the second was entity. That is still related to flowchart. If flowchart is the flow, whereas the entity is the object related to the process. For example, we imagine the hospital as the flowchart. Then the entity is patient, doctor, nurse, and so on. After that, we learn about use case, which is the activity of the system where the system will read or interact with the request desired by the user or scenario. Regarding the application we want to create, well, those are some of the materials that we gained in this 10th grade, especially in software and game development subject. Not only we learned by the material, but we also have done some project, namely we directed applied coding in PHP MyAdmin, MySQL or CAMPP. In this 10th grade, we will only talk how to create a database and create a table in MySQL. Then insert data, select items, and update data. What we like that most was inserting data. Firstly, we created the database by typing create database underscore nama. Then we created a table in the database with created table underscore nama. After that, we selected the data that we wanted to insert by insert into table underscore name. Fill in the data, then below type fonts, fill in the data. Thank you.
Germany subject. The first material was learning about the German alphabet. Here, we learned about what umlaut is next. We were also told how to say thank you, excuse me, and greetings using Germany. After that, we also learned the numbers in Germany. Apart from that, we were also told about various hobbies in Germany. In Germany lessons, there was also a practice. We wish how to introduce ourselves and introduce others. In this lesson, it was not intuitive. Sometimes we played games in Germany. For example, playing this in Germany, playing numbers, and so on. Not only the lesson was fun, but the teacher is also very fun. That's why we really like this lesson.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.